Some people called it perfection, others cried blasphemy. But one thing's for sure, when the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift lead, Sean Boswell lowered a pristine RB26 Skyline GTR motor into his dad's 1967 Mustang, it made for a great story. And when it comes to premium collector cars, appeal is directly linked to story. A total of 6 1967 and 1968 Mustangs were built for Tokyo Drift, the third installment of Universal Studios' long-running Fast and Furious franchise. Contrary to popular belief, the only car fitted with a Skyline engine was the Beauty Queen, used for close-up shots. The action cars combined trick suspension components with good old-fashioned American cubes. That's where this coupe comes in. As one of the cars that was resto-modded to handle drifting duties, it always featured a thundering V8, and today this Ford joins one other V8-powered stunt car and the Skyline-powered Beauty Queen as the only 3 Tokyo Drift Mustangs known to still exist. Between the doors, Ferrari Daytona-inspired vinyl mixes with timeless Shelby GT500 trim. Mach 1 high-back bucket stretched TMI covers and hose Simpson belts. A billet-trimmed dual-cowl dash hangs controls for vintage air conditioning amid a full array of autometer gauges. A leather-wrapped console centers an attractive Hurst shifter between a Shelby-branded lid and Alpine touchscreen infotainment, and the driver spins a Motolita steering wheel on a tilting column. Cranking out 450 horsepower, this superstar features 347 cubic inches of stroker motor under the hood. That healthy engine sends power to a Tremec 5-speed, back to Mosier axles with 373 gears. Whether it's in Tokyo, Southern California, or the Piedmont of sunny North Carolina, there's simply nothing better than keying up legendary Motor City muscle. Storied and equally seductive, this Mustang absolutely sets the bar for top-of-the-line pony cars. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.